Hello traders, welcome back to Pips Traders YouTube channel. First of all, let me wish you all a very happy new year. Thank you for your continuous support to my channel. And I wish 2023 also to be a profitable year for all of us. So when we look at the economical events plan for Monday, Jan 9, we have a Japanese bank holiday. And also we don't have any high impact news plan for Monday. Let us proceed with our gold analysis. I'm in daily time frame now. And looking at the past price action, we know that previously it was in a very nice downtrend, and after testing the support level of 1617, we have noticed that price action to continuously trend on the bullish side retracement. And we already knew that the price action was making a triple bottom pattern and it was making a retracement, and this level of 1800 was acting as a very strong resistance level. And the price action now has broken this resistance level also, and it is still in a bullish trend. Let us analyze how far it is going to continue trading on a bullish trend. So I have again redrawn the resistance line, and based on the past price action, we know that price tried to break these resistance lines several times, and every attempt it made to break this resistance line, we have noticed it to fall on the bearish side retracement or to continue its bearish trend. So all these levels where it tested this resistance line, it will be acting as a resistance level for the future price action. So since currently the price action is in a bullish trend, we can expect the price action to find a resistance at the level of 1880, because in the past also we have noticed this level to be acting as a very strong resistance level. So only when the price action breaks this resistance level of 1880, we can expect the further continuation of the bullish side retracement. And on the bearish side, this level of 1800 is going to be acting as a strong support when the price action tries to make a bearish side trend reversal. Only when the price action breaks this support level of 1800, it will be the confirmation on the bearish side trend reversal. So now I have drawn a trend line. So to make it easier, only when the price action breaks this trend line or the support line, we can expect the bearish side trend reversal to start in daily time frame. So this is a trend in the daily time frame, and in the lower time frame, the trend could be different. So for now, I have marked the Fibonacci's levels, and immediate resistance is going to be around 1880. And once the price action breaks this level of 1880, we can expect the bullish trend to continue, and next level of resistance is going to be around 1940. And if the price action bounces back from the resistance level of 1880, the immediate support is going to be around 1835, 1800 and 1737. These are all the levels in the daily time frame, hence the level ranges are high. So from the daily time frame, we understand that the current trend of the price action is still in a bullish trend, and even if the bullish trend continues, the immediate resistance is going to be around 1880, and only when it breaks this level, we can expect the continuation of the bullish trend, or else wait for the price action to break this trend line or the support line, which confirms the break of the long-term trend, and we can expect the bearish trend reversal to start. The confirmation on the bearish trend reversal will come only when it breaks this support level of 1835. Let us look at the price action in 4 hours time frame. I'm in 4 hours time frame now. When we look at the price action in 4 hours time frame, it is still in a very strong bullish trend. It has broken the resistance level of 1836, and also it has taken support at the previous resistance level, which is now acting as a support level, and it has again bounced back on the bullish side retracement. Again, I am drawing a trend line to understand the current trend of the price action in 4 hours time frame. So based on this trend line, we can notice that it was consolidating within this support line and the resistance line, and it has given a breakout from this resistance line, and we have noticed a price action to continue its bullish side retracement. So the new bullish trend has started after breaking this resistance line from the 4 hours time frame. So I have drawn a channel pattern for the 4 hours time frame, where we have the resistance line and the support line, and currently it is trading within this bullish channel pattern, we can expect the bullish trend to continue and to test this resistance level of 1880 in the 4 hours time frame, because we have noticed a price action to test this resistance line in the past also. And as long as the price action is trading within this bullish channel pattern, we can expect a bullish trend to continue in 4 hours time frame. So currently we know that in the daily time frame also the current trend of the price action is in a bullish trend, and in the 4 hours time frame also the current trend of the price action is in a bullish trend. For the 4 hours time frame, wait for the price action to break this support line in order to enter into the bearish side trade, and for the daily time frame, wait for the price action to break this blue colored trend line or the support line to enter into the bearish side trade in daily time frame. Let us look at the price action in hourly time frame. I'm in hourly time frame now. When we look at the price action in hourly time frame, we have noticed a price action to test this resistance line of the bullish channel pattern from the 4 hours time frame and to fall on the bearish side retracement. After taking a support on the support line, we have noticed it to bounce back on the bullish side retracement. Again, it has retraced to the level where it started its bearish side retracement, and currently this level of 1870 is acting as a strong resistance level for the hourly time frame. And in this process, we have noticed a price action to make a double bottom pattern, and also it has completed its double bottom pattern, because of which it is starting to bounce back on the bearish side retracement in the hourly time frame. But still, as long as it is trading within this bullish channel pattern from the 4 hours time frame, we can expect the bullish trend to continue in hourly time frame also. Current values within this blue color boxes are going to be the resistance and support levels for current price action in hourly time frame. Currently, the price action is trading between the resistance level of 1868 and the support level of 1860. And if the price action breaks the resistance level of 1868, next level of resistance is going to be around 1879 or 1880. And if the price action breaks the support level of 1860, next level of support is going to be around 1852, 1842, 1835 and 1826. And as long as the price action is trading within this bullish channel pattern from the 4 hours time frame, we can expect a bullish trend to continue in hourly time frame also. Let us look at the price action in 30 minutes time frame. I'm in 30 minutes time frame, and in 30 minutes time frame also we have noticed a price action to follow the higher time frame trend, which is in a bullish trend. And now we are noticing a little bit of retracement on the bearish side. But we know from the 4 hours time frame that currently the price action is trading within a bullish channel pattern. So even if the price action bounces back on the bearish side retracement, as long as it is trading within this support and resistance line, we can expect the bullish trend to continue in 30 minutes time frame also. So the values within this blue color boxes are the resistance and support levels for current price action in 30 minutes time frame. Currently, the price action is trading between the resistance level of 1866 and support level of 1858. And if the price action takes support around the support level of 1866 and continues its bullish side retracement, the immediate resistance is going to be around 1879 or 1880. And if the price action breaks the level of 1866, next level of support is going to be around 1858, 1851, 1845, 1835 and 1823. Let us mark the support and resistance levels for 15 minutes time frame. I am in 15 minutes time frame, and in 15 minutes time frame we are noticing the price action to make a bearish side trend reversal. It has also broken this trend line or the support line where it was taking support in the past. And if the price action breaks this resistance line, it will be the continuation of the bullish trend in 15 minutes time frame also. And if it bounces back from this resistance line, it will be a continuation of the bearish side trend reversal in 15 minutes time frame. The values within this blue color boxes are the resistance and support levels for current price action in 15 minutes time frame. Currently, the price action is trading between the support level of 1863 and resistance level of 1870. And if the price action breaks the support level of 1863, next level of support is going to be around 1859, 1855, 1852, 1850, 1847, 1845 and 1841. So that's all the analysis for today. Thank you for watching this video. And if you have found this video to be useful, press that like button and share this video with your friends. Once again, I wish you all very happy New Year.